Hello, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back. So nice to see you back here. And if you're here, please go ahead and comment. Let me know that you're here. Uh, Hi guys. Again, FRSX, Foresight Autonomous. What are we talking about today? Um, I'm trying to get into that groove of making any updates that I can bring you to you guys. That's what I'm gonna have to do. But today, just because I really don't want to make this channel any kind of like about all about, oh, I'm bullish on FRSX just because I'm invested in. Just so you know that I found this company way before everybody started actually talking about it here on YouTube. I am not looking to pump this. And by the way, as you can see, my channel only has about 1,000 subscribers, which we're not that big to go ahead and start pumping stocks. It's not gonna work. We're just too small for it. But just don't think that I'm just pro bullish to on FRSX and I don't know like the risk, because I know. Listen, before I went ahead and started investing into this company, I already knew that they didn't make money. I already knew that they haven't really sold anything. I already knew that they only have prototypes. So this video, what I'm bringing to you guys tonight, it's basically a breakdown before you actually start buying into this company. Okay, so I did look into two articles, in which I'm gonna be linking down below. I'm gonna go over. I'm just gonna go and do a little bit of some summary of what I read and what I thought it was like the highlights that I wanted to bring it to you guys. So let's start first. This is how I'm gonna break down this video. We're gonna go into a little bit of fundamentals and do a little bit of technical analysis. So that way we kind of have both views on kind of what can happen in the short term. Actually, I'm not a financial advisor, guys. I'm not an expert. I don't know like if the stock is gonna really go up and down. I just can kind of tell you my opinion on what's gonna happen. With that being said, we know that few things with Foresight. It's very important that you should know that this company has no revenue. They're not really making money from selling their system. Okay. We're looking into a prototype that was just sold, maybe two companies. Are they multi-billion-dollar companies? Yes. One of them is like one of the Chinese electric car vehicle manufacturer, but we don't know which one, and they didn't say it. And knowing the Chinese, they're probably not gonna say it right now. Let's hope it's Neo. The reason why it's because we don't really know if the prototype is really good. We don't know how it performs. They say it's good, and I kind of believe them, but we haven't seen anything. Okay, so that's something that we're gonna have to wait. The company was not Foresight. They were founded like back in 1977, but I think they've actually been producing this or working on this technology since 2015, if I'm not mistaken. And it's been 5 years. They haven't really sold anything. Is it concerning? Yes, a little bit. But also, one thing that I can confirm, and you probably can confirm, is that past 5 years, nobody really cared about EVs, especially autonomous. Who cared about that? Maybe Uber, trying to already talk about it, and maybe Google and Tesla. But now in 2020, that's actually when car manufacturers and everybody start paying more attention towards the autonomous vehicles and autonomous things. But that's one of the points that I wanted to bring out to you guys, and hopefully you can understand that this company does not have any revenue right now. They haven't really sold any of their technology to, let's say, different car manufacturers. Okay. With that being said, we have to know as well that because there's nothing coming in, that this company burns cash. They burn a lot of cash. Meaning that every year they report that they lost money, which is okay. I'm not gonna go crazy into this just because, listen, even Tesla at one point they were not making money. Okay, and if they are profitable right now, I guess they're probably barely profitable, but they're making money. They started making money. So looking into the charts and what happened with the stock price in the past week. the reason why the stock went up so high is because of the rumors circulating right now with Apple unveiling their car, focusing on autonomous driving, as well Tesla. They're saying that maybe Foresight is working with Tesla on the new Cyber truck cameras. I don't believe it's true. I hope it is, but I don't believe so. And also Apple, that's in 2024, which is kind of, I'm looking to hold this stock for like at least 5 years. But that's like a very long shot for them to actually like start have anything to do with Apple. But that's another reason. That's probably one of the reasons why, two of the reasons why the stock shot up so high. So expect a correction, which I don't think is gonna come. And like the most important that I've read, which is also linked below, is that Foresight plans for further equity offering on Nasdaq. What is that, guys? So this is Tesla's done this before. Okay, literally, just like a couple weeks ago. So this is when a company stock just rises so quickly. If you're a long-term investor, you should be happy that they're doing this. Now, if you're a short-term investor, if you're like trading this, it might not be a good thing for you. So what is this? So they're going to be putting more shares out there. And for what I'm reading, they're looking to put it on a discount for about a 5 to 15% off the market price. So that's more money that's going to go to the company. Okay, what they can do with this money, they can go ahead and invest more into the company, do better things, improve the technology, because now they have more funding and have more cash on their balance sheet. The other side, let's say if they're not really using this cash for good things, or if it's just like burning cash, then it's not good, because it's just like putting out more shares in the market, diluting the shares, and then as well, whatever I'm holding now, it doesn't mean much, because think about it this way: if we owned, let's say investment, like me and five more people own investment, right? And each one of us had one share, so 6 in total. If I went ahead and say, okay, guys, I'm sorry, but I'm gonna have to sell more shares, and then I put in 10 more shares out there, right? Now that one share does not have the same power when we only had 6 shares. If you get what I'm saying, that's like a really bad example, but I hope you got it. Hope you get it. But that's what I'm saying. So it could be bad in the short term, but in the long term, it's going to be good. And that's my opinion. I do really think that they're looking to get more cash just so they can improve and keep improving on getting this tag going. Because again, the past 5 years and the next 5 years will be totally different. Now, I am screen recording. I'm going to go now jump into the technical analysis just a little bit. I'm screen recording right now. This is a FRSX. I am gonna put a screen recording on the screen so we can see better. So what I'm gonna do is a quick technical analysis on what's happening in the short term. Okay, so we know that we had a rally right here. So it was sustained by this trend line right here. So it's pretty good. Okay, as soon as it broke it, it came down here. Now, what we really want to look into is what happened the past day of trading. So I'm gonna zoom in right there. Okay, so what do we know? There is the bottom right here, and this is the trend line, what happened, and this is the top, this is what's coming down. This pattern right here, especially with everything that's going on, with that last news, that piece right there that I told you, they're looking to put out more shares in the market or sell more shares at a discount price. This is what I think is going to happen. I think this is going to break down. It's going to break it, and we're gonna see a downtrend. Okay, I don't think it's gonna be crazy, but I think we're gonna see maybe retest right here. This is what I think is probably gonna see it, a 438. Is it gonna happen? No, I'm not sure. I can't really tell you, because what can happen as well, for some reason investors see it as a good thing that they're getting more money, then maybe we can break this pattern right here and break out and go retest the sixes. But as I told you, I'm not an expert. I do not know what's gonna happen in the future, but this is what I think. The support right here is pretty good at 438, 430-ish. So that's most likely what's gonna happen. I don't know if it's gonna happen. There's no way, no one can tell you for sure what's gonna happen. It's just by looking at it, that's what I think it would happen. But it could go both ways. It could break it. It could break it and whew, go. Let's go retest right there the 585 and the sixes, or it's gonna break down right here, and then we can look the first stop. I mean, the first stop could technically be 469, but I'm not worried about it because we hit that last trading day. But I do believe that we can probably see a 430 something, so that could be a very good buying point. But that was it, guys. I hope you liked it. If you liked what I did right now for you guys, I mean, I just posted on Instagram. I was like, you guys want to know this? You guys, 30 of you were like, yes, I want to see it. And then jumped on real quick, did a quick video, and hopefully I can bring you some news and some important news and help you actually like make the decision yourself, because that's what I want. I don't want to make the decision for you. Don't go and buy anything just because I'm buying. I got in very early in the ones, so my risk tolerance it could be a little bit greater too, because I don't mind still buying it at the fours or even like fives, because I plan on holding this for so long, probably like 2024. That doesn't really matter to me if it goes to 3 right now. It doesn't matter to me. I don't care. I'll buy more. But that was it, guys. Hopefully you liked it. Please go ahead. I need one favor, guys. I need you to like this video, please, because that way it will push this video through like more people, and more people will watch the channel. More people will probably subscribe to the channel, and then we'll have a way bigger community. All right, guys. So that was it. Thanks so much for watching, and you have a good night. Bye.